Today, we will be taking a look at how to create a quick but effective leaf brush in Photoshop. I'm Abby Esparza with Envato Tuts Plus. Let's get started. And to start things off, let's create a basic leaf brush ideal for shrubs, bushes, or even ivy. Today, I'll be using this 3D asset as it comes on a transparent background already, no extraction needed. You can go ahead and download it as a .psd, and then open up that PSD file and delete the shadow layer. Quick and easy. Next, let's go to Image, Adjustments, Hue, Saturation, and bring the lightness down to -100, filling it with black. Now, mask or completely erase the stems and pot using either the eraser tool or layer masks. Either one will work here, as we don't have to be too worried about masking things back in. Once happy with your masks or erasing job, go ahead and crop the image down to its exact pixel size by holding Ctrl and clicking the leaf layer and hitting Crop. With the accepted crop, go ahead and go to Edit, Define, Brush Preset. You can hold off on naming the brush for now and just hit OK. Let's grab our brand new brush and start to set all of its brush settings. Open up the Window, Brush Settings panel, and input the following settings, though keep in mind there's no need to be exact. There is room for experimenting. First, the brush tip shape. Setting spacing to 30%. Next, shape dynamics with a size jitter of 60%. Control set to pin pressure if you use a pen tablet. No need to worry about this if you are just using a mouse. And a minimum diameter of 5%. Finally, the scattering, set to a scatter of 140%, a count of just 3, a count jitter of 20%, and control set to pin tilt, again if you have a pen tablet. Now let's hit the Create New Brush icon found on the bottom right-hand side of the Brush Settings panel to save a new brush with the current settings. Make sure Include Tool Settings is checked. Unchecking all other boxes, naming the brush, and then of course hitting OK. Now we can create a new layer and paint with our new brush. You can create quick illustrative bushes by first setting down a base of dark blue-green leaves, and then adding a slightly lighter set of blue-green leaves on top of that. Then an even lighter green, and a bright true green. And finally, on top of all the other leaves, a bright neon green set of leaves here. I like to paint each of them on top of their own separate layers so I can easily add more as I go. And I will finish things up by connecting and adding stems to any rogue leaves with a simple hard round brush. Just small little lines here or there. And there you go, a quick 5-minute basic bush. Now, if you need some loose, free-flowing leaves instead, that is not a problem. Just find an image of some floating leaves. I'll be using this 3D asset as, again, it comes on a transparent background, just like our potted leaves before. Download it as a .psd to remove any shadows, super quick and easy-like. Again, going through the same process of Image, Adjustments, Hue, Saturation, and then bringing that lightness down to -100 to blacken the leaves. Cropping the image down to size, and again going to Edit, Define, Brush Preset. Go ahead and open up Windows, Brush Settings, and for this brush we'll be using the following slightly different settings that will go more hand in hand with our floating, free, roaming leaves. For our brush tip shape, a spacing of 45%. For our shape dynamics, we have a size jitter of 48%, control set to pin pressure, if applicable, a minimum diameter of 10%, an angle jitter of 100%, and a roundness jitter of 19%. Next, under scattering, a scattering of 93%, a count of 2, a count jitter of 20%, and control set to pin tilt for all you pin users out there. And finally, some color dynamics with a hue jitter of 6%, and a brightness jitter of 18%. And you can keep everything else at its default numbers. Hit Create New Brush, found again on the bottom right hand side of the brush settings panel here, checking Include Tool Settings, naming it, and then hitting OK. Now we can create a new layer and paint with our new brush. And that's all there is to creating a quick and easy leaf brush in Photoshop. If you're looking to learn even more Photoshop tips and tricks, why not check out some of the other excellent videos that Envato Tuts Plus has to offer. If you like this video and would like to see more, consider giving us a like and even subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of all new videos, including tips, tricks, and tutorials. I'm Abby Esparza with Envato Tuts Plus. Happy designing!